Let us continue slides now. So look at the next example. So solve the following quadratic equation. So solve the following quadratic equation for x. So here also some letter coefficients will be there, alphabet coefficients will be there. So we can apply as usual to find out the square root. Okay, they are asking to find out the square root only, that is roots only. Okay, so here a is nothing but 4, and what is b? So b is nothing but the coefficient of x fully we can take, that is minus 4a square also. Okay, except x we should take everything. And similarly for a also, except x square you can take all the coefficients what are all given. And what is the c value? That is a square minus b square both. Okay, that is nothing but c value here. Right, now in the formula substitute here. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now substitute here. So minus of minus 4a square and plus or minus square root of, so b square. So that is minus 4a square whole square. A square whole square. Then minus 4ac. So minus 4. And a is nothing but 4, and c is a square minus b square. So a power 4, sorry, this is 4, a power 4, b power 4. So a power 4, b power 4, and whole divided by 2a, that is 2 into 4. Okay, now just I substituted a value, b value and c value. Now simplify this, so minus into minus plus, so it will become 4 a square plus or minus square root of, so here minus 4a square whole square. Okay, so here the minus will become positive definitely, and 4 square 16, and variable a square is there, so a square whole square means a power 4, we should multiply the power, and minus 4 4s are 16. Okay, so multiply 16 inside the bracket, so 16 a power 4, 16a power 4, and here minus into minus plus 16b power 4. So 16b power 4, and whole divided by, so 4 2s are 8. So equal to 4 a square plus or minus root of, so here 16 a power 4 minus 16 a power 4 will cancel each other. What about the remaining one? So 16 b power 4 only inside the square root, and whole divided by 8. Right? So equal to, in the next stage, equal to 4a square plus or minus, and 16 b power 4 inside the square root. So here 16 is the square number, therefore 4 is the square root of 16, so take out of the square root, and b power 4, the power 4 also the even number only, so you can take half of that, that is b square. So inside the square root, any variable having the power even number means we can take half of that. Okay, no need to, it will be a square number. Okay, the power of the variable. So it is an even number means you can take half of, that is a square means you can take a alone, a power 4 means a square, a power 6 means a power 3, so like that. Okay, and whole divided by 8. So whole divided by 8. So now divide it. So here if you take 4 as a common one means, so 4 into a square plus or minus b square divided by 8. So here 1 4, here 2 4. So what is x value now? So x equal to a square plus or minus b square divided by 2. So that is the value of x. So one is positive root and another one negative root, right? Right. Look at the next example. So this is also the same thing. Okay. So A is nothing but 36. And what is B? So B is minus 12A. And what is C? C is nothing but A square minus B square. So here square only. A square minus B square. So now apply the formula. So x equal to, so formula is minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Okay. So x equal to, so minus B is there. So minus of, so minus 12A plus or minus root of, so B square, that is minus 12A whole square minus 4AC, minus 4 into, so A value is 36 and C value is A square minus B square. So A square minus B square and whole divided by, so 2 into 36. So 2 into 36. So equal to, so now minus into minus plus 12A and plus or minus square root of, so here 12, so square is there, so 12 12s are 144 and inside the variable A is there, so A square, so 144 A square and minus, so here 36 is there, so 4 into 36 is nothing but, so 36 into 4, so 36 into 4 equal to 6 4s are 24, remainder 2 and 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 144, so 144 only, so 144 A square when we multiply inside the bracket and multiply with the B square here, minus into minus plus 144 B square and whole divided by, so here 72, 36 into 72. So here inside the square root plus 144 A square minus 144 A square get cancel each other. So what about the remaining one? So 12A plus or minus root of, so inside the root 144 B square. B square is there and divided by 72. So now simplify again. So equal to 12A plus or minus, so inside the square root 144, square number only, so square root of 144 is 12 and inside and the variable B square is there. Look at the power of the variable, 2 is there, so we can take half of that, so B alone, B power 1. So once again repeat, the power of the variable inside the square root, no need to should be the square number, okay, it is just enough to be an even number, okay. So odd number means not possible to take, okay, keep as it is. So 72, so equal to, so here also 12 is a common one, so take 12 as a common one, so A plus or minus B and divided by 72. So if you simplify means here 1 time, here 6 time, right? So x equal to now A plus or minus B divided by 6. So that's all. So that is nothing but, so plus or minus. So that is nothing but the value of x here. Okay. Right. Look at the next example. So solve for x. Root of 2x plus 9 plus x equal to 13 is there. Okay. So here it is not in the form of a quadratic equation. So we need to convert it into a quadratic equation. Okay. So square root of number is there in one term. First term containing root number. So keep root number as it is in one of the side. Okay. So 2x plus 9. And that transpose this x to the right hand side, it become 13 minus x. Okay, so now I'm going to cancel this square root by taking square on both sides. Okay, so if you take square on both sides means the root will be eliminated and the right hand side will become square. So 13 minus x whole square. Okay, now simplify this. So 2x plus 9 equal, how can we expand this? Using a minus b whole square formula. So what is a minus b whole square formula? So a square minus 2ab, so minus 2ab plus b square, so plus x square. Okay, now simplify this. So 2x plus 9 equal to, so 13 square 169 and minus, so when you multiply these two, 26x plus x square. Okay, now just transpose all the, that is 2x and 9 to the right hand side, so it will become 169 minus 26x plus x square. So transpose these two terms to the right hand side, it will become minus 2x, and this 9 will become minus 9 equal to 0. Now simplify again and write it in order. So x square, then so how many x's are there? So minus 26x, here minus 2x, totally minus 28x. Both are same sign, so that I added here. And here 169 and minus 9, so different signs are subtracted, so plus 160 equal to 0. Now that is a quadratic equation. Now we got the quadratic equation. Next we are going to solve this quadratic equation. Okay. So x equal to, so minus b. So minus b is nothing but minus of minus 28. So minus b plus or minus root of, so b square, so minus 28 whole square. So b square minus 4ac. So minus 4. So a value is nothing but 1 and c value is nothing but 160. Inside the square root. Okay. So whole divided by 2a. So 2 into 1. So now simplify this. So equal to, so minus into minus plus, so plus 28 and plus or minus root of, so 28 square. So we need to multiply 28 into 28. So 28 into 28. So multiply here. So 8 8s are 64, remainder 6 and 8 2s are 16. So 16 plus 6, 22, and then multiply with the 2. 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, and 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 8, 7. So 784. Okay. So 784 minus, so multiply these two. So 16 into 4. So 16 into 4 is nothing but 64. So 64 and 0 is there, so 640. And whole divided by 2 into 1, 2. So equal to 28 plus or minus, so root of, now subtract it. So 144 will come if you subtract means. Okay, that is 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 4 4, and 7 minus 6 1, and whole divided by 2. So equal to, so look at the square root. So look at the square, that is look at the square root. Inside it square number is there. So the square root of 144 is nothing but 12 and divided by 12. Okay, so now here 4 is a common factor. Okay, or 6, yes, 4 is a common factor. Is it 4 a common factor or not? 7 4s are 28, right? 4 is a common factor. So here 7 4s are 28 plus or minus, and 3 4s are 12 and whole divided by 12. Okay, and here 1 time, here 3 times, right? So equal to 7 plus or minus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so if you split it positive or negative separately, means 7 plus 3 by 3 comma 7 minus 3 by 3. Okay, so these are the positive and negative roots. When we add these two, 10, so 10 by 3, and here 7 minus 3, 4, so 4 by 3. So here 10 by 3 and 4 by 3 are the square, that is roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so if any roots are given, means any one term only containing the square root, means keep it into any one of the sides separately and then transpose other numbers, that is terms on the right hand side or any one of the side, and cancel the square root and simplify, get a quadratic equation and then solve it. Okay, so these are the homeworks or practice problems. So do it, and if you have any doubt regarding this, ask me, I will clear it out. Okay, so I think you would have understood in today's video. Otherwise, go through once again. Let us meet into the next session. Thank you.